a forecast video on Euro Pound, and I just want to show you what I've been looking at on the 4-hour chart. So here we are on the 4-hour chart on Euro Pound. I was actually waiting for the supply to be taken out for a while now. As you can see that we had our explosive move away, creating this demand zone. Price came back, tapped it. We did get an entry here previously, but as we can see that this zone here was tested quite a few times, and we were waiting for price to break through that demand zone so that we can create our supply zone here. We can see that we have our trend line here from point A to point B after this low was taken out. So we drew in that trend line, and as we can see that we have our 4-hour supply here. So that will be our swing trade situation, but I actually am interested in taking day trade, so we will drop down to our 15-minute time frame and then look from there. So it's quite a good zone here because we can see that this price level here, this price zone was quite strong, and for price to break through that strong zone here, we needed good sellers to come into the market. So what we anticipate is that price would come back to the zone and then continue selling off, looking for that 15-minute confirmation. So just a quick video on Euro Pound and what's happening on the market. Just want to add that this market conditions is a bit crazy, so we're not going to be finding the zones on all our pairs. So it is quite tricky. We just need to stay patient and just trade what price is giving us. Um, Last year and the year before, we saw price moving quite steadily. So we see price in an uptrend or downtrend. Now we have markets that are fluctuating, moving sideways, consolidating, liquidating, and we only look for high probability trades. So at the moment, this is the only one that I see that we have clear supply zones and demand zones being taken out and created. So yeah, let's see what happens later on today. New York session now at the moment it's 10:30. So London session, not much going on, just a lot of wicks creating. So we'll see what happens in the New York session. If you like this video, then you find value in my content, please share it, like it, because that's the only way that I'm gonna get my videos out there for people who actually want to learn and trade our system. So thanks.